Hi, I'm Savva, Technical Director of Call You, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Call You client process, which is from the time you want to make an initial inquiry right the way through to aftercare. Step one, a client will typically give us a call or send us a website inquiry after seeing an advert on Google, Facebook, seen one of my YouTube videos, been recommended by a friend, etc. At that point, we will send them an initial email just to get a feel for their inquiry. The client would then respond, typically fairly quickly, and then you will get a call back from either myself or Julian, the Managing Director. Depending on how that conversation goes, we would then arrange a site survey at your property, really to fit in within your timescale. We like to do early start, so we do a lot of our site surveys from 6:30 in the morning to 8 o'clock in the morning before you go off to work, and this can generally be arranged fairly quickly, possibly even the next day, but just generally to suit in within your time frame and your work commitments. Coming out to see you will be me, Technical Director, and I have a vast experience in carrying out surveys and finding the correct solution for you. During the survey, I will find out what's important for you, which rooms that you want air conditioned, obviously your budget to suit, and really get a feel for your apartment, because sometimes one system is enough by generally cooling the large open plan area and allowing for supplementary cooling into the secondary zones. Whether you work from home and you need that second bedroom also air conditioned, whether you really need a good night's sleep and the master bedroom is the most important. I will go through all that with you and also come up with the most discreet solution so that there is no disruption to your decor and there's no making good for you to do, and literally so that we would come in, do the job, leave, and it's almost like it was installed from day one when you bought the place. So after the survey, back to the office and we will send you a proposal. There'll be nothing to worry about in the proposal. It will almost be an identical written format of what I've described during the survey. There's no hidden extras. We have a fixed price policy, but everything will be written in there right the way through, from the areas that we will air condition to the maintenance cost afterwards. If you then agreed with the proposal we send you out, we ask you to pay a deposit. That confirms the order, and your systems are then built to order for yourselves. We agree an installation date, and then it's really down to the day that we will turn up and come and do the work for you. On the day of installation, when that lovely day comes upon us, we will typically arrive at your property at 8 o'clock in the morning. And if it's 1 to 2 systems, we will generally do that within one day, which is sort of 8 a.m. in the morning up to sort of 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, just depending on the intricacy of the install itself. And we want it to be perfect for you. We give you a demo towards the end, we give you an advice on operation, and then you have your fully installed internal AC system. Thereafter, we would send you a maintenance agreement which explains what we do during a maintenance visit and how much it costs you. Again, this will not be a surprise because the cost will be on the initial proposal anyway. Currently, right now in early 2019, it's £150 for one system and £50 per system thereafter, and this is carried out once a year. Warranty on our systems, as long as you do have the maintenance carried out, is 5 years. You get a full 5-year parts and labour warranty, so you are buying complete peace of mind. When the maintenance is due, we follow the F-gas regulations in the UK with regards frequency of maintenance, which means the first one is 6 months after the installation itself, regardless of use, and then yearly thereafter. You don't have to remember when it's due. We will give you a call from the office. Again, arrange a convenient time to attend. One of our fully qualified engineers will come along, do the maintenance, sign your system off, and then you're ready for use for the rest of the year. Once our maintenance engineer has attended and carried out the full maintenance procedure, you then have a fully performing, efficient system that you can run throughout the summer. Of course, aside from maintenance, if you ever had any questions or any concerns, or you just want to know something, if you're struggling with how to do something on the controller, whatever it might be, or on the Wi-Fi which comes with our wall-mounted units, you will have my personal mobile number, along with Julian's mobile number, that you can call us 24 hours a day, and we are there to help you. We really do have a great relationship with all of our clients and customers. They truly become like friends to us. We've got clients going back years and years and years. We look after them every year. We even pop in when we're local to them sometimes and have a chat and a coffee. It's really that sort of relationship with us. Once you buy into what we do, you're a customer for life with us. So if you have any further questions on what I've just said, please do visit our website or give us a call on the number below. Thank you.